man. How am I always broke?
Well, all that pizza can't help.
Yeah, I know, but it's the cheapest thing to get when I need a midnight fix. It's hard to eat right when I work all the time and I have school. And groceries are so expensive.
Maybe the problem is you don't really know how to buy pizza.
That's clearly not a problem.
Well, most people shop. They spend money. Money comes in, it goes out. Maybe they keep a budget so they don't spend too much. But mostly, they don't really think too hard about the philosophy of their spending. Pizza is a great example.
It's pizza. What kind of philosophy can possibly exist? All meats? One meat and a veggie?
Not quite. Let's consider groceries. For young people just starting out, groceries are very expensive and pizza is cheap. But for people with some experience, groceries are cheap and pizza is expensive. The first philosophy of pizza is that it's sometimes cheaper to spend more money.
Huh?
You see, the reason groceries are expensive is that to make pizza, you need flour, yeast, water, salt, olive oil, sauce, cheese, and toppings. If you buy all of them at once, it might cost you more to make a pizza than it does to have one delivered.
And they have carry-out deals for like $5.
But imagine if you bought groceries every week. You'd have the olive oil, which is the most expensive thing on the list. You'd have flour too. And instead of buying a packet of yeast, you could use part of a jar of yeast. You could use leftovers as toppings. You could make a big batch of sauce and freeze it in smaller containers and use when you need it. Then you could make a pizza for about $2. Plus, it would taste better and be healthier than the one you got from the local place. If you don't want to deal with dough and yeast, most places will sell you pre-made dough for like $1 or $2. Then all you need is sauce, which is less than $1, and cheese, which you can get for $3 per bag and use on at least 2 pizzas.
But I'd have to buy groceries every week, and I don't have that kind of time.
That's true, but that's the second philosophy of pizza. Your time is valuable. A trip to the grocery store takes about an hour, plus time to put everything away and make a list. You need to figure out what your time is worth and charge yourself for it. If you think your time is worth $10 per hour, then that grocery run needs to save you at least $10. The best way to do that is to get everything at once. If you get pantry staples every other week, like rice, beans, flour, eggs, milk, cereal, bread, and some actual fresh fruit and vegetables, you can eat 3 meals a day for less than eating out. It's easy to save $20, $30, even $50 in 2 weeks. If you save $50 every 2 weeks, that's like paying yourself $50 for your hour of work.
But I can order the pizza on my phone so fast.
And you can order groceries on Amazon or Jet just as fast. Set it to send every month and save time there too. That's pizza philosophy number 3. Automate everything you can. Let's run through a few more. Number 4, sometimes spending money is worth it. If you're having a party, you don't want to stop to make pizza, so order it. Budget a few pizzas a month so you don't feel guilty. Number 5, pay once, cry once. Pay twice, cry twice. A pizza stone can cost up to $50, but it will make all your pizzas better. The same is true of a cast iron skillet. If you use it enough on pizzas though, it'll pay for itself. Putting down aluminum foil on a baking pan every time will cost more money over time, require more cleaning, and give you worse pizzas. Number 6, everything that costs money adds up. An extra topping that costs $2 every time totals over $100 in a year if you eat pizza every week. What would you rather do with $100? Number 7, always order the bigger pizza. A 14-inch pizza is 1/3 larger than a 12-inch pizza, but no one charges 33% more. Order the bigger pizza, put leftovers in the freezer, and save them for next time.
Wow, that's a lot to learn from pizza. What don't I know about the rest of my money?
Well, no one wants to spend all day thinking about money. But here's one other thing to learn, and it's really helpful. Number 8, find someone you trust and learn everything you can from them. If you can learn this much about your money from pizza, how much could you learn about savings plans, taxes, student loans, or credit cards if you visit your credit union? Remember the second philosophy, your time is worth money. If you spend an hour at your credit union, do you think you'll learn more than $10 worth of financial advice?
I do. Maybe I can use the money I save to buy more pizzas. That'll be the 9th philosophy. Save money where you can so you can spend it on pizza. Yay!
Brought to you by your credit union.